Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by identifying the lock type and getting tools in hand. Once you know whether it's a latch, mortise, or magnetic unit, remove the screws that hold the faceplate using the correct screwdriver. As you work, keep the door supported so the frame doesn't sag and misalign the mechanism. Place a rag under parts to catch small pieces. Make sure to note screw locations and keep components ordered, because reassembly must match the original alignment for smooth operation. Once the faceplate is off, you'll inspect the internals closely and remove debris that blocks movement. You should clean with a small brush and compressed air, and then apply a light lubricant to pivot points. Avoid heavy grease that attracts dirt. If a spring is broken or a screw stripped, replace it now. Match sizes exactly so the tension and travel remain correct. After reassembly of the mechanism, test the latch movement by hand to make sure it retracts and returns smoothly before closing the door. You finish by reinstalling the faceplate and tightening screws progressively so the mechanism stays square. Once assembled, swing the door and test the lock several times. If it binds, loosen screws slightly and adjust the strike plate position until the latch enters freely. Make sure the door sits square in the frame and that weather stripping isn't pushing the lock out of alignment. If problems persist after these adjustments, replace the entire lock or realign the door frame for a long-term fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.